Hello everyone, Blacklight 8001 here. Today I'm looking at this Hitachi CD player. This is a model number DA-405. It's got a blown tray belt, at least as far as I can tell. I'm going to plug it in and give it a test so you can see just what it's doing. Alright, turn it on. And you hit open and it doesn't do anything, or it just gets stuck. So there. It opens, but obviously the belt is weak enough that it won't do it all the time. So, I guess while I'm here, I might as well see if it will actually play. So I'm gonna grab a CD here, just a random one. I don't even know what this is really. I think this is some re-recordings of crap. So I'm just going to insert that. Yeah, it's pretty sluggish. Just want to see if it'll actually play. Well, it looks good. Let's hit play. It appears to be playing. So as long as the audio output actually works, then all should be good. Alright, I can hit stop on that. Try to eject it. Yeah, and it won't go. There we go. Just had to spin the wheel there to get it to go. So obviously it needs a new belt. Over here they actually marked a new belt replacement. It looks like that would be August of 1995 that this got a new belt. So either they didn't put the right size one in there, or it's already bad. But either way, there is a lot of slack in this thing. I can push it pretty freely. So it looks like a pretty easy replacement. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to replace it with a rubber band, and usually you should not do things like this because it is improper to do it, but in this particular instance, it is, of course, this tray is not speed sensitive at all, so it will not, react to wow and flutter in any negative way, really. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slap a elastic band in there for now. Alright, so I did some digging and I couldn't find the small enough size for this drawer here, and to get the belt out I actually had to unhook the tray back here, and I don't know how to get this side out, so I just did this side just enough so I could get the belt in there. So I had to go take a little adventure out and get a bag of elastic bands so I could get the right size. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in now. Okay, so I've got a new belt in there, or rather elastic band, to replace the tray belt, and it's working just fine. No problem. Well, that's all for this repair. Everything worked out, now I just gotta put it back together. And